Hi, first grade friends. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Way to go. Today during Daily 5, we're going to be working with spelling colors, and our phonics pattern for the week is S blends. S blends are two consonants side by side, and the first one is the letter S. S blends can be found at the beginning of a word or at the end of the word. Let's read all of our S blends in our word box. Our first S blend is the word scrap. I'm going to highlight the blend so you can see. Scrap. You do not need to highlight. Our next word down is the word spent. We have the SP blend, spent. Our third word down is the word splat. We have another SP blend found at the beginning of the word. Strand is our fourth word. We have the ST blend found at the beginning of the word. Our next word is strut. ST is in strut. Top of the next column is the word sprint. Then we have strip. Our next word is split. We have an ST blend in our next word, stop. And our last S blend word is scrub. Now today, you are going to be matching the word with the corresponding color. So at the top, we have the word scrap. And you can see it is corresponding with the color brown. So I'm going to write scrap underneath the brown crayon. Spent is with the pink crayon. Spent. Splat is our third word down. Let's finger stretch the word splat. Fingers ready? Finger stretch, go. Splat. Splat. I'm going to write the word splat underneath my red crayon. Splat. All right, boys and girls, I would like you to continue on your own by pausing the video and writing the word with the corresponding color. We have strand with gray, strut with orange. Okay, then we have sprint is going to be with our yellow crayon, strip underneath our blue crayon, split with our green crayon, stop with our black crayon, and scrub with our purple crayon. You will then take the time to color each crayon the color that it is labeled. So I'll color my green word crayon green. And yellow, I will color yellow. Please finish this page and turn your paper over. Way to go. Okay, boys and girls, please write your name at the top of your paper. And you can see here at the box it says to color the ST words. So in our word box right here, you are going to color all of the words that have the ST blend. We have the word stab, has the ST blend at the beginning. Stamp. Step. Flex. Now I'm not going to color flex because it does not have the ST blend. Please finish this section of your worksheet by coloring all of the ST words. Please pause the video. Okay, boys and girls, your next section down is spin, read, and write. You will need your pencil and your paper clip. You will complete this section, numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Please pause the video and do this section all on your own. Okay, boys and girls, we're at the very bottom section of our page. You do not need to color the boxes, but you can see that I've colored the green boxes, the short letters. The yellow boxes are our tall letters, and our blue boxes are the basement letters. Our first word is stop. I can see that stop is a 4-letter word. S is a short letter. T is tall because it touches the top line and the bottom line. O is a short letter, and P is a basement letter. So I know that stop is going to go right here in this word box. Remember, you do not need to color your word boxes. That's just so that I can show you where we need to focus. Okay, with stick, we have a short letter, S, short letter I, short letter C. But then we have 2 tall letters, the T and the K. So I know that stick goes right here. S, T, E, K. All right, boys and girls, you are going to finish the rest of the words by yourself. You have stub, storm, and stamp. Please put stub, storm, and stamp in the correct boxes. You did great today, boys and girls. I'm very proud of you. Thank you for your hard work. Please make sure your name is on your paper. You'll put your paper into your mailbox and then move on to Lexia. Way to go.